This brutalist design house connects to its surroundings in creative ways. From the beginning, preserving the largest number of existing trees within its perimeter was considered. This became the starting point for its design, the integration of the house with its immediate context, and concepts such as permeability, integration, and the relationship between exterior and interior became fundamental in the process. At the heart of the modern tropical house, the kitchen, dining room, and living room all communicate with each other. Built as a refuge for a city dweller, the Ethos House offers a secluded and peaceful living space for weekend getaways or vacations in a stunning woodland area in Guanacaste, Costa Rica. The QBO3 Arquitectos studio designed this modern tropical house, where the structure minimizes its impact on the land, creates a relationship with the environment, and also integrates an old tree into one of its rooms. Perforated steel structures featuring the owner's artwork cover most of the windows, creating a play of light and shadow. The house needed to be secure, as it remains unoccupied for many weeks of the year and resistant to the elements and sea breeze. From these limitations, the idea of brutalist architecture was born, a reinforced concrete shelter with movable perforated panels that adapt to changing seasons, the architectural program, and the climate. This social area opens towards the terrace and outdoor pool. During the construction process, it was decided to preserve a tree that crossed the social space, creating a synergy between the house and this element. A cast-in concrete sofa surrounds the tree, while a top window brings more natural light into the room. Here, the rooftop terrace creates a special connection with nature, overlooking the tree canopies and the surrounding landscape. Ethos House is a project that aims to enhance the beauty of both the context in which it is situated and the materials it is made from. To achieve this, the construction techniques were meticulously worked out, and each material and finish was exposed in its purest form.